Hey, my name is Vogel. I'm with VTI Specialized out of Indianapolis, Indiana.
What's this truck?
Truck I brought is a 1975 352 Peterbilt Cabover, 350 Cummins with a 13-speed transmission. It was built by Jeb at Peterbilt Customs in Missouri.
How long ago was it finished? How many hours ago was it finished?
It took about, they had it for just a little less than a year. They really did a nice job on it. I'm real happy with it.
What's your favorite detail?
I mean, I like the interior. The interior, the breathers, the stacks, the paint. I like everything about it.
And I know you're Needle Nose Pete. Is this a significant color to you for any particular reason?
It's not the exact same color, but it's real close.
You just like it?
I like it, yeah.
I like it too.
It's my favorite color.
Excellent. Do you know what it's called by chance?
Not really.
Teal.
Teal.
I don't know.
Yeah. Teal.
Excellent.
Some people call it turquoise, some people call it teal, some people call it blue, green.
And what inspired you to do up a 352?
My grandfather ran them when I was a kid, so I wanted to do one.
Did you get to ride along with Grandpa?
Many times.
Is that how the
And my uncles.
Yeah. Of all the trucks that you have had or ridden in or done up over the years, what's your absolute favorite model?
I really like them all. I like a little something about each one of them. I don't really have a favorite, but they're all kind of unique to me.
What's next?
I got a W900 in the work, and when I picked this one up out of Missouri, I dropped off old International Transtar.
Ooh!
Yeah, Cabover.
Okay, well, I'm looking forward to that. Yeah. Is it going to be this color?
Nope. It's going to be a surprise.
Oh, my goodness. What you can't tell right now is there are two Internationals on my outfit, so
Okay.
hidden away. So,
well, we got one in the works.
Thank you very much.